All right, I want to show you how to set up your STL to be able to print, okay? So the way we're going to do this is I'm opening it up here. You can see the file right here. Once I've got that up, I come up here. I right mouse click up here. I go to Save as Mesh. You see that right there? It's important. Save as Mesh, not Save Copy As, but it's below that. But you've got to right click on this and make sure this little dot there is on, okay? So right mouse click, Save as Mesh. The window's going to pop up there. I'm going to change the STL. I got to change this to millimeters. This has to be changed from inches to millimeters. Even if even if it's done in inches, it's got to be changed to millimeters because otherwise the 3D printer will make it really really tiny because it'll think it's millimeters. And it's only 3 inches. It'll think it's 3 millimeters. So that's not what we want. So it'll automatically adjust the correct scale and so forth. Okay. So change that. Um, Keep that the same. Keep that the same. Change this to high. If it's not at high, leave it at high. Put it at high, and then all you got to do is we're not going to. We could send it directly to the 3D printer, but we're not going to. We're just going to hit OK, and then a window will pop up here to save it. Save it to your downloads folder. Okay, and once you're in the downloads folder, you will email me that file. Okay, and then I will bring it in tomorrow morning when I get in here and start printing them. Okay, does that make sense? That's how we do this. Create the STL. Okay. All right.